Hi everyone, this is Mark Jr. with All Clear Cleaning. We're in Acworth today and we had a customer ask us how often you should get your gutters cleaned. To answer that question, we recommend once a year. For most cleanings that works out perfect and it keeps your gutters clean for the most part. However, if you have a large wooded area and a bunch of trees with a lot of debris falling into them, sometimes it's a good idea to get it done twice a year. You don't want to have your gutters filled up because then you could cause water damage inside your house, and then if the water fills up in the gutters itself, you can have damage. They could start pulling off your roof and things like that. So to avoid those kind of problems, you really want to get it done at least once a year. But if it's wooded area, you want to look at maybe getting it done twice a year. So if you guys like what you're hearing, please subscribe to the blog and like us on Facebook. You guys have a good day.